Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Marjorie Dixon and I am the founder, CEO and medical director of Anova Fertility and Reproductive Health. That is a full service fertility provider in the province of Ontario.
Hi everyone, my name is Kopyl and I'm the CEO and founder of Parenthood.
We're experts in everything in the field at Anova. Parenthood actually manages to get you into the right track so that your care gets personalized. There is a specific case manager that manages you as a couple or as an individual from start to finish. If the journey is 3 months, if the journey is 6 months, if the journey is 1.5 years, depending on what your plans are, you select your sperm donor, and then we either do inseminations or we create embryos from one of the intended moms, and then we can transfer it either into her own uterus or into the uterus of the partner. We lay out the path for you. We understand the regulatory things. We will hook you into fertility-specific lawyers that you can work with because you will require those. Point A to point B to point C to point D. You are guided along the way so that you don't have to reinvent the wheel.
It's all about family for us, and we want you to be able to feel, experience that, to see the lives transcend and grow beautifully, and to be a part that facilitated the creation of your family for you to feel what we felt at our kids' grade 12 graduation.
Your doctor needs to understand and be culturally competent, and people can speak to it, but when it's your lived experience, I think that that's where it was important for us to be the people, because we know what it's like to live it. And look, I have 20 years of experience listening to patients, speaking with fertility lawyers, understanding the legislation as it changed. It's complicated, particularly in our community. I think it's important to not feel just paid lip service to. I think it's important to see yourself in your healthcare providers and in the people who are providing the supports for you as you enter the journey.
There is a high lack of awareness education. People may not know that their employer gives $50,000 for IVF, and we have a list of all of the insurance providers, what employer, what they provide, what they don't. Not only does our community not know the right paths to take to parenthood, or how to start that, or who to turn to, or who's good or who's not good, or who will judge me or not judge me. There are doctors that will not see our community, to be honest, in this day and age. So you're in safe hands with us.
In Canada, the community that I was a part of didn't know where to begin. It felt like the community was completely not seen. And so, we had the conversation at home, and with Kimmy's genius and understanding how to reach out to people to allow them to find us, because Anova felt like we were the best kept secret. And we had this conversation about how do we create a system such that people will very easily be able to access us. And that was how Parenthood was born.
There's no one that is more passionate, intelligent, driven. She teaches, she does surgeries. She really is Superwoman, and literally wears a cape when she comes flying into the home with her surgery cape on. We both are on about 16-hour days and still run a household, take care of our elderly mother and our kids. It's incredible, actually, to be partners and work together. And the difference is there. Some people think, oh, how could you do that? We trust each other more than anything.
Implicit trust.
Our line of communication is already incredible. There's no one that cares about the quality of care and the bottom line as we do. We're not just a corporate figure, a name, taking a salary or what have you. We are hands-on, involved, and care, both of us, about each and every single person, couple, case. And to do this together passionately is the same level of passion, care, and love that we have in our life with our kids, with anything that we do.
The landscape of family in Canada has changed quite substantively in the past 20 years, not because it didn't exist before, but the pathway to get there is greatly facilitated at this stage. And so that I'm proud through Anova and Parenthood in that marriage to be able to start that as the easy pathway for you to grow your family. And I'm hoping the legacy that we leave is that it just becomes standard. That's our joy, our job, and our mission for you, is to make your dream of family come true.